Welcome to Bajaj Majesty 1603T demo. Bajaj Majesty is a multi-purpose oven, toaster and griller which helps in effortless cooking. It comes along with one baking tray, one baking tray tong, one crumb tray, 4 skewer rods, one wire grill cum barbecue tray. It has 2 heating elements, one at the top and one at the bottom. This OTG's front panel has 3 separate knobs for element, temperature and timer. Temperature control knob which lets you adjust the temperature to your desired setting. The heater selecting knob to select the mode of cooking. The third one is the timer knob to set the time. Top element on mode. Place all the frittata in the baking tray. Place the tray in the oven. Switch to top element mode. Set temperature and time needed for frittata, and the delicious frittata is ready. Bottom element on mode. Place bread pizza on a baking tray. Switch to bottom element mode. Set the desired time and temperature, and your delicious bread pizza is ready. Both element mode. Place the pieces of fruits on skewer rods. Switch the element knob to both element mode. Set the desired time and temperature, and soon succulent grilled fruits will be ready to serve. The Bajaj Majesty 1603T is here to make your cooking easy and your food delicious. Bake, grill, toast from cupcakes to tandoori chicken. Explore Bajaj Majesty 1603T and make something awesome today.